Today's video, I will be reviewing Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Rimona, and I got it in the color 1B. This is how the unit looks straight out of the box. The hairline is pre-plucked, and it's a 13x6 lace frontal wig. Off camera, I did some tweaking and customizing of my own, and so I added foundation to the lace and added this widow's peak look to it as well. The first thing you want to do is cut the ear tabs off on both sides of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on your head. Now I'm cutting the lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. To install this lace today, I'm going in with the Kiss Colors adhesive spray. I'm only applying 1 layer, but for longevity, I would advise going in with either multiple layers of the adhesive spray or lace glue. So once the spray or glue is nice and tacky, you want to lay the lace directly on top of where you applied the glue. Then I went in with a blow dryer on a cool heat setting until the lace was fully glued down. Then you apply those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. So now that the lace is glued down, it is time to cut the lace off. So I'm going in with my Kiss razor and I'm cutting the lace off in sections. Make sure you are cutting in a jagged zigzag motion because this will give you a more realistic look. I followed up with my mini scissors to cut off any excess lace. The more lace you cut off, the better. I personally feel like the less lace I see, the more natural it looks. Now I'm going back in with that same adhesive spray and I'm applying that spray directly on top of any areas that just did not fully glue down the first time. And this step also helps with the longevity of the lace as well. It'll help keep the lace down. I went in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color level 16, and I'm using the lightest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I'm using my finger to apply the makeup to the lace because It helps me to apply the makeup precisely. And also, for some reason, using my finger makes the blend look more natural to me. This step is optional, but I went in with some mousse and applied it across my hairline. I feel like sometimes mousse can melt the lace even more. Then I went in with my elastic band and blow dryer on a cool to medium heat setting. This step will help give your lace that melted look, and I do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's time to style this hair and detangle the curls. I initially went in with a wide tooth comb because I really did not want to ruin the curls, because sometimes brushing the curls can be a little too much. But then I quickly realized that the vent brush would bring more volume and would give that fluffy look. So I ended up just using both tools to get that desired look. I've decided to add some face framing layers to this unit as well. I know my face shape and layers always complements it. So I just went in and did a diagonal cut. I used the Ebin Wig Knots concealer in the color medium brown to enhance my parting space. I wanted to add some light baby hairs to this unit, so I only pulled out a thin amount of hair, and then I went in with the mini flat iron and curled the hair downwards to give it that fluffy baby hair look. So usually what I do before applying product to my baby hair is shape it. I shape it and I kind of like mold it into how I want them to look. And then I go in with the product. The product that I'm using to style these baby hairs is the Monae Bee Flex Insta Hold Spray. If you want the baby hairs to stay in place, immediately after styling them, you want to go in with the blow dryer on a cool setting and blow dry it in place. For the finishing touches, I went in with some mousse to flatten down the foundation of this wig. If you feel like your wig is super bulky, do not be afraid to go in with that hot comb. So here we have the final look for Outre Rimona, and I love the outcome. This hair looks super fluffy, and I just love wigs that look soft. This unit has nice volume to it. It is a little bit heavy on the density side, but it is such a beautiful unit. Although I went with the safest route and chose the color 1B, I feel like the colors on the stock card was so pretty and bold. The colorway is not my go-to, but if you are looking to step out with some color, I believe that this will be a really good option for you. One thing I will say is that this unit looks like it would tangle like crazy due to the curls and the length, so keep that in mind. All in all, this unit is so cute. It reminds me a little bit of Outre Delilah, which is an old favorite. It's something about the curls, the volume, the fluffiness. I just love that look. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and stay tuned for my next video.